Y'all are doing a great job. Thank y'all so much. Because I was about to give up. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, my God.
We had a full bucket of strawberries.
Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. Thank y'all for your help. So cute. Oh, so cute. Thanks, friend. Okay. Oh, the babies. Y'all have a good one. Okay. It's okay. Oh my God, kids are so sweet. Hello, FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator. And here on the channel, I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home decor. Let me put my glasses back on, child. Heavy on the home decor, and I cannot wait to get to that. So we've been doing a SOV starting over vlog series since I made my debut return back onto the platform. And if you're new here, I took some time off recently after my family, we suffered a huge loss and lost my mom. We lost our mother, aunt, cousin, niece, love of so many lives. She was the love of my life and was actually a part of this channel. So you can go back and look at videos to get a glimpse as to what that was like, having her here involved in content creating with me. She suffered a loss to Alzheimer's disease. So to anyone that's out there caregiving, that is fighting the good fight and taking care of a loved one with Alzheimer's, my heart goes out to you. You are in my prayers because it is not easy. So yeah, I took some time off from YouTube and came back. Was supposed to be back on May 31st, but the video ended up uploading on the 1st. So we've been here since June 1st. In the first video, I talked about why I was gone, grief, and how I've been healing. Taking it one day at a time, sometimes 1 hour at a time. And then we, in the last video, I was talking about, actually getting back outside and like forging a new normal, going out to eat. I went to Costco and shopped at Costco in Atlanta for the first time, which was so much fun. And then just talking about other things that I had going on, going to a YouTube event, meeting my fellow content creator girls and hanging out with them, had a drink. That was really nice. Going to brunch, just being outside and how that has been different because after my mom passed, I really was not taking care of myself and focused on doing anything outside. I was always in the house other than just going to work. Well, actually around that time, a week after, my blood pressure was really high. The top number was close to 200 and the lower number was close to 150. Room. And so I have been taking a very conscious and proactive effort to take better care of myself, whether it's physically and getting in the gym and working out with a trainer, if it's mentally through grief therapy, and I call it regular therapy, my regular therapist. And then also, just like being open about how I'm feeling when friends ask how you're doing, not holding it in, like actually relying on people to be there to support and help. So physically, mentally, and spiritually, of course, yes. My church, shout out to Change Church. I love my church so much. My pastor and first lady, and my grief counseling is actually through my church. So it's been a journey since February, since she passed, but we're taking it one day at a time. And in today's SOV episode, which is episode 3, we're looking at fitness, health and fitness and nutrition. I do have a dietitian. Shout out to Caroline at Berry Street Health. My fitness trainer is Jude at Energy Fitness, aka House of Atlanta. I'm going to put the information in the description box. We're going to be looking at like the fitness training. We're going to be looking at what I'm doing when I'm not with the personal trainer and just going to do my own thing, whether it's cardio, the treadmill, the Stairmaster, getting on the machines. If it's a home workout on the walking pad, if it's going for a walk in nature. I'm still trying to find a park in my area that I like. The park that I do like is a little bit further away, but I don't mind, driving. It's just Atlanta traffic. walking outside, you know, if it's doing like an exercise video, all the YouTube girlies and guys on YouTube, I have quite a few that I love. And yeah, just showing you what we're doing as far as meal prepping, food substitutions. I don't have a food scale yet. The food scale that I have from Weight Watchers, it actually broke, so I need to get a new one. I'm actually thinking this is going to be the last starting over vlog, because I really wanted to use this as a means to just kind of give you, instead of giving you like this long 2-hour video, I'm not there yet. I don't think people will click on my video and stay watching for 2 hours. I don't think I'm there yet. But what have I ever been? Yeah, I don't think I'm there yet. But I wanted to splice it up and just let you know how I'm starting over, you know. So in this episode, it is basically fitness, nutrition, and, you know, physical health. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to get started on the fitness. Okay, let's talk about it. I'm not a doctor or a medical professional, and everything that I'm saying here is not to be you know, received as medical advice. This is just my opinion and my experience and what I'm doing. All right, let me get that out the way. Okay, so fitness. So I am a former workout girl. I grew up in a house where mom was doing jazzercise and what's that lady's name? Denise Austin and ESPN in the morning, the Hawaiian guy. If you're old school, you know the Hawaiian guy that was outside on the exercise mats, some pretty place in Hawaii, exercising with a bunch of people, you know, on different mats. But I grew up watching a mom put on her outfit and exercise, like, and I was just, you know how little kids try to get on the side and do the exercise too, but they don't know what they're doing. So I am exposed to what it looks like and feels like to keep yourself together and like want to exercise and da-da-da. But I lost my way. I had a couple cardiovascular issues before my mom passed, and I started getting it together, but then I digressed. Started going back to the same habits. And I think it was just, you know, they say you can grieve people when they're gone, but you can also grieve people while they're here. And I don't know if I was stressed out from work or the lack there. I don't know. I just know that I was not taking care of myself. And it just recently, after she passed, really got out of control. It really got scary, where I probably should have been in the emergency room, but I wasn't, because at my job on the campus, there is a medical facility. And so I was able to go to them, and they were like, "Why are you here? You need to be in the emergency room." So what I'm focusing on now is 2 days a week fitness training, where I work out with a trainer, and focusing on the areas that he knows I need to work on, which is upper body. I'm very busty. Midsection and core have gotten weak, and I've gained more weight in my midsection, the cortisol, the stress, you know. And on the days that I'm not doing strength training, like I was saying, I am going to the gym, doing cardio, getting at least 30 minutes of cardio on the treadmill. And the goal is to, after that, if it's coming home and doing some like strength training, push-ups, plank dips, plank twists, raises, you know, lateral raises, whatever, doing something to work my core from a strength training perspective, and doing something to work my upper body and arms on that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or those 3 days when it's just cardio, when I don't have the personal trainer. Flowers too. I saw that on the thing.
You gotta tell them flowers over in the other field.
Okay.
I wasn't going over
You sound like you about to get a good nap when you get home.
It is a field. I don't like how she's saying.
not seeing a lot. Not seeing a lot of strawberries. We are all spread out. It won't come off. Oh, it did. And I didn't even get it in the bucket. Girl. You're getting some good ones.
Yeah. But yeah, there a lot of them are mushy.
Mm-hmm. What? The blackberries are... Is that blackberries or blueberries down there?
I think blueberries are there.
And blackberries.
Blackberries? I don't know what blackberries are.
They told me the blackberries were
What
first.
blackberries look like.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Thank. So beautiful. Let's go find the plush ones, like she said.
Yeah.
Listen, girl.
I'm so sticky.
Hello,
My jeans are stuck.
girl. I am ready to go. I'm trying to get all the plush berries, and I'm not seeing them.
You have to. They're like
Oh.
inside.
Oh, look at that right here, like here.
Have you tried them?
They're good.
Oh my god. Even the blueberries, they don't even like.
The blueberries are the
grocery
for right one up,
The
right?
next one.
Okay. Hi, hello.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a good bucket. That's
blueberries
a
are delicious.
big.
You need to get some.
Y'all are doing a great job. Thank y'all so much. Cause I was about to give up. Oh, thank you, baby.
What? How much should we pay for that? $20?
20. I need to leave with a full
Yeah,
bucket.
you better.
Thank you. Oh my God.
We had a full bucket of strawberries.
Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. Thank y'all for your help. So cute. Oh, so cute. Thanks, friend. Okay. Oh, the babies. Y'all have a good one. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Oh my God, kids are so sweet. Yeah, they are so cute. Okay, we're gonna get down here. Girl, all my stores are sitting down up by the park. Like they are done. And here I come. After I heard a bug. Y'all heard that? After everybody else. This is so much fun though. I'm not as stressed as I was before. Okay, we are at the blueberries now. I'm getting my steps in. And I am getting all that I need for my morning smoothies. These are so much easier to grab than the blackberries. There's some that I cannot get to. Look at how bountiful it is in there. I gotta just shake the tree. I'm about to just shake it and grab those. I think I found the perfect bunch. Look how pretty that bunch is. Yes. I feel like this bucket is not getting full. I should have got the half a gallon, but I'm gonna be grateful when I get home and clean them that I came and I got a gallon. Okay, let's go. We gotta keep filling this up. want that one in there, but I'm afraid to put my hand in there, but we're gonna do it. It's just little gnats. Let's just go and get it. 1, 2, 3, go. We did it. Some nice ones. Get away from here. Okay. I think I'm done. Every time I say I'm done, I see a prettier one. Ooh. Smoothie's about to be popping. Okay, let's go home. We are sweaty. But it's just so many good ones, y'all. Oh my God, y'all, I found a pretty one. A nice, pretty strawberry. I'm glad I didn't give up. Came back over here. Okay, we're about to head out for real now. Because my back is starting to hurt. And I got my steps that I needed. And as I'm saying that, I'm still picking. All right. Glad I didn't give up though. Because I really wanted strawberries too. Enough for, but it was just fun. Thank y'all. Thank you too. Lemonade, but it has a lot of pulp in it, so I'm gonna get ice cream instead. The strawberry slushy is like fresh juice. Like fresh juice, or
yes,
like
puree.
Because I was gonna get lemonade, but that has like a bunch of pulp in it, so I think the slushy might be. I think I want everything. That's the problem. So I saw a lady walking by with this cup of the ice cream on top. That was a cobbler. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me get a large vanilla ice cream, and then I'm gonna get a strawberry slush to go the 12 ounce. Yeah, that satisfies my greed today.
$10.80.
Thank you.
Were the strawberries hard to find?
Girl, I just did those last. I think I got 2, and I was like, what is this? Going out, they told me to skip them and go to the blackberries. And
yeah.
I didn't listen, so I couldn't find any strawberries, so I got frustrated with my 2. I went down there and I killed it. The blackberries are so fun to pick because they're like...
And they're easy to cut off.
Yes, the blueberries, I got attacked by some animals, some bees and stuff, but it was worth it. I got mostly blueberries, but I mean, you can't really tell.
Oh, yeah.
But then when I was coming back, I was like, just try. And yeah. But the thing is, like, I don't know, I guess what comes out here and eats the fruit? Rabbits? Because like you could tell like things are biting, like there's some...
It could be some caterpillars too.
That's true. Farm life, yeah. But I had so much fun. I'm glad I came. My sorority was here and I got here. Yeah, I saw 2 of them out there, but the rest of them were leaving when I was here. Anyway, thank y'all. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank y'all.
Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
It's long. Faith, Love, Life, and Style. Faith, Love, Life, and Style. If you just type in Faith, Love, Life, it'll come up. Yeah.
Who wants your autograph?
Oh my God, you're so sweet.
Thank you.
So yeah, thank y'all so much. You too. So cute. Okay, so I added some more cooler water to the strawberries because I don't want them to get soggy. And I put in some distilled white vinegar. Add some more cold water to this. The blackberries. I'm not gonna fill this too much because I have a lot of blackberries. But I'm gonna add my baking soda to. Oh, I love when it does that. I feel like a mad scientist when it does that. Anyway, I'm just gonna put these to soak. I'll do the blueberries in a separate bowl. Since I have a lot of those too, but I didn't want to leave them on the counter and go shower and take a nap. And then I come out to my kitchen and it's a bunch of flies, fruit flies and bugs and so forth. So some of the blackberries are still red because they were not fully ripened, but that's okay. I had so much fun. I cannot wait to do this again. Versus going to the grocery store. Because I mean, I'm not a fruit like consumer. I don't eat fruit like every day. I just get fruit for my smoothie. So this is a fun way to get an exercise workout in. Because honey, my thighs, my butt, my arms, my abs, my core, everything is hurting. I got me a good workout. And I already hit 10,000 steps. My watch started vibrating the minute I stepped foot in the door. So I think I might have been at like 9,000. I'm gonna put a little bit more baking soda on these. Once we get them all in there. Okay, I'll come back to y'all in a minute. Let me go ahead and fill these buckets up and then we'll do I'll turn the camera back on for the blueberries. Now let's do the blueberries. Water here. I think I have some strawberries at the bottom of this. Oh, we have some blackberries at the bottom of this too. I love that part. That brought all them to the top too. Let me pour some of this out. It's a little too much water. Okay, we'll keep filling this up and then I'll just turn y'all back on when we rinse, or after I rinse and I'm storing them in the fridge. I'm gonna freeze some of them. That's my electric kettle's on. I'm gonna freeze some of them. Don't need all of these for this upcoming week, but had to show you my little process here. We got quite a few ways to go, so I will be back when it's time to store. All right, bye. Okay, so I did the strawberries and the blackberries already off camera, but I have a taller acrylic storage, food storage pan for the blueberries because I feel like I had a lot of these. Yeah, I had a lot. They're smaller, so I think I had more in the bucket than I anticipated packed in there. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in here. I have the storage unit. I have the storage container lined with paper towel, and I use Viva because it feels like cloth. These are already rinsed. I rinsed them in warm water and then cold so they can firm back up. And we're just gonna pour them in. Hopefully they all go on top and then fall underneath. And I'm gonna use this batch first for my smoothies. I did go to the grocery store and grab some, but I'm gonna use this batch first because they're open and freshly picked. I might go ahead and like make my smoothie when I meal prep. Starting tonight, I might go ahead and make my smoothie Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer. So some of these will probably be in there. And that's that, y'all. That is that. We're gonna go ahead and maybe do some editing for another upcoming vlog. Amazon Prime Day is coming up, so we have quite a few videos. Not sure where I'm gonna put this content. Might be in its own video. Back outside. A back outside series might be coming up this summer because we need to do more. I have limited myself to just being inside and, you know, being around just the same people all the time. And I need to get out and be the social butterfly I used to be. So anyway, with that said, thank you so much for coming to the farm with me. I'm about to go shower and take a nap and then do some editing. So I will see y'all either in the next video or tomorrow. All right, bye.